Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Kinetic Station class. So what you need to do first is you have to go to loadout Battle Royale page. On this page, please click or tap the Kinetic Station or the class at the bottom of your screen. Tap. So this is the Kinetic Station. This is part of support class that you can use in Battle Royale mode. So this Kinetic Station is a deployable station to support your team with limit time armor that can partially reduce bullet damage. Okay, let's try in Battle Royale training ground first. Welcome to Battle Royale training ground. So we are going to try this Kinetic Station. It's already active. Let's launch the station first. Tap. This is Kinetic Station. As you can see, this is the armor that Kinetic Station give to you. So there is an effect, temporary effect that deflect any bullet hit you. So give it a try in rank mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.